Hi boys and girls, welcome to your first official video of the school year. I am so excited. Aren't you so excited? Yes? All right, here we go. This better not be fake guesses. All right, so integers. Who remembers what integers are? Who said positive and negative numbers? If you did, then you are correct. There are positive and negative whole numbers. So hopefully last year you all became masters of adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing with integers. I'm going to quickly go over the rules with you. Tomorrow in class we'll get this little handy dandy foldable puzzle thingy and keep that in our IMBs, and we'll do some practice tomorrow in class. So integers, we've got positive and we've got negative numbers. All right. So let's say we are adding. Now I talked to Mrs. Carpenter, who's Miss Fisher, about what she did when she taught her classes last year. And she told me that she did this whole superheroes, villains thing, and that the superheroes were the positive numbers. They're the good guys. And then the negative numbers are the villains, or the bad guys. So when we are thinking about if we had a positive 10, so we have 10 good guys, and then we're adding that to 3 bad guys, well, let's say they're fighting each other. We've got 10 good guys, 3 bad guys. Who's going to win? The good guys will win, right? Because there's more of them. So that means our final answer is going to be positive because the good guys are going to win. Well, how many good guys will be left? So if you think about taking one villain with one superhero, so we've got 3 villains, and then you have 3 superheroes, they're going to go together and they're going to cancel each other out because they're going to fight together. How many of the good guys are left? Good, we've got 7 good guys left. All right, so 10 plus negative 3 is positive 7. Now there's some of you are saying, wait, I don't need to write that positive, and you're correct. You don't need to write the positive. 10 plus negative 3 equals 7. Try another one. Let's say we have negative 6 plus negative 4. Well, we've got bad guys, and we've got more bad guys. Well, they don't have to fight anyone. The bad guys and the bad guys are just going to join together, and we're going to have a total of 10 bad guys. So negative 6 plus negative 4 is negative 10. How about? So we have, let's try. All right. Yes, hi Marvin. I know I took your squeaky toy. Go away. All right. So let's see now. Let's say we have negative 15 plus negative 15 plus 4. So we have 15 villains, 15 bad guys, and 4 good guys. They're going to fight. They're going to battle each other. Who's going to win this time? Who has more? Who outpowers the other group? Good, the villains, the bad guys outpower the good guys. They outpower the superheroes. So that means we're going to get rid of all the good guys, and we're only going to have bad guys left. So we're going to have a negative answer. Well, when we pair them up, okay, those remember the technical term, the 0 pairs. So we have 4 of the good guys are going to get together with 4 of the bad guys, and they're going to cancel out. So if we get rid of 4 of those 15 bad guys, how many of them are left? Excellent. Negative 11. We'll have 11 bad guys left. Very good. Okay. Go back through, look at those again, make sure you understand them. If you want some extra practice, please ask. And there's also tons of extra practice you can find online. Maybe I'll try to attach something for extra practice. We will practice in class tomorrow again too. Move on to subtraction. When we are subtracting integers, okay, we can think of subtracting as adding the opposite. Well, what in the world does that mean? So let's say we have 8 minus 10. 8 minus 10, we can take this and we can rewrite it, and I'm going to rewrite it in blue here as 8 plus, what's the opposite of 10? Okay, think of this here. Remember, you can also take the sign in front. That's like a negative 10. So 8 plus negative 10. So this was really a positive 10 because there was no little sign up here. So 8 plus negative 10. Hey, guess what? Now we follow our superhero and villains rule. 8 good guys, 10 bad guys. The bad guys are going to win, and they'll have 2 of them that are left over. So 8 minus 10 is the same as 8 plus negative 10, and that gives us a result of negative 2. Try another one. All right, let's try negative 24 minus 6. Okay, let's rewrite this as addition, so negative 24 plus negative 6. Bad guys and bad guys, so they combine together, and we have a total of 30 bad guys. So negative 30 is your final answer here. Let's try one more. Okay, so let's say we have 10 minus negative 2. So that means we rewrite this as 10. Remember, these two join together to make a positive. Okay, because adding the opposite of negative 2 is a positive 2. Hey, we've got 2 good guys. Yay! 10 plus 2 is positive 12. All right, excellent. All right, multiplication and division. We're going to do these two together since they are the same. Some of you have probably seen some of these. So this is called like the sleepy man. We've got negative, negative, positive. So if you take 2 negatives and multiply them or divide them, they make a positive. If we take a negative and a positive, it'll make a negative. Likewise, if we take the other negative and positive, it will become a negative. So multiplying negative and a negative makes a positive. Multiplying a negative and a positive makes a negative. Same thing for division. Some of you have also seen something like this. So this little like tic-tac-toe board, okay, and you just go across, okay, any way you want to go. So if we do positive and a negative, it makes a negative. A negative and a positive makes a negative. A negative and a negative makes a positive. You could also go down this way. Positive and a positive makes a positive. Okay. Negative and a positive makes a negative going around that way. So real quick, if I had negative 5 times negative 6, that would equal positive 30. So we had negative 28 divided by a positive 7. That's going to give us a negative 4. All right, I've got one last little practice problem for you. Thank you for making it. All right, so the last thing I want you to do is I'm going to give you a practice problem that's actually 2 in 1. And tomorrow, Thursday, is my birthday. And this problem is going to tell you how old I am. And I am old, and I'm not happy about it. So I'd like you to evaluate 27 plus negative 11 minus negative 14 equals, and whatever that equals, use your integrity. No calculators, do it by hand. That's how old I am, and you can make fun of me for it tomorrow. Be nice, though. Don't make me cry. All right, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.